I can't forget something. Hanyuma rero nuko nguko my outfit iraba imeze, nuko nguko ndaba nambaye. Keep in touch, mbereke ibindi byose. I love you. Hi guys, get ready with me. It's good. Today we have dinner with my family, my husband, my sister-in-law, and the kids. Anyways, get ready with me today. What's going on? Stand the tune to my hanyuma sinjya nitera ibirungo cyane, but today ndakoresha iyi foundation. Nabwo ndakoresha gake kubera ntabwo ndi umukunzi w'ama makeup, narashaje. Before I used gukoresha makeup, but now maze gusaza kandi umuntu ashaje nyine turabyemera. Anyways, ndakoresha my foundation n'agatiro. I have my blush na fond de teint. But mu kwitegura ntabwo ndi bukore too much things. Ndakora utuntu duke kubera, as I said, nkunda ibirungo cyane. Just nyine kugira umuntu aba asa neza. Yeah. Ndabereka uko ngiye kugenda nambaye, mbibutsa gukora subscribe, like, comment and share kubera I'm back nyine ubu nabagarukiye. Nari maze iminsi mu tuntu ariko this time I'm back kandi njenje. Yeah, ngiye kwisiga vuba vuba kugira ngo ntabakereza, and already bamaze kwitegura. Agongo mbera kwisiga too much birungo. I'm good. I'm good. Kwimana yaturemye niko tugomba gusa. See? Almost done. Ntabwo byatanje. Akanya ngiye kuba ndetse nyine aga foundation kabanze kangirimo neza. I'm gonna use chopstick. That's simple. Yeah, simple makeup. Nta bintu byatanje, nta bintu byo kwitera ibintu byinshi. Here we go. Abantu musanzwe muzi gukora mu makeup muzankosora, ariko nyine ngiye ibintu bya makeup si utuntu twanjye. Twakundi umuntu aba avuga ngo nyine ngende nsa neza mu gake, ariko ubundi rwose ntabwo ari utuntu twanjye. Ndashyiraho kano gake nako mudamaje. Just kugira ngo umuntu atagenda ameze nk'ikirindazi gusa mu maso, terwa n'icyo bisiga. See? Mbabwiye ko nsoje ntabwo ushobora kubyemera. Njye ndi mu bantu badashobora gutinda cyangwa kugutinza bitegura kubera makeup. So let me pull my outfit ubundi nze mbereke what's going on. I love you. This is my outfit. This is how I'm gonna wear. I don't know niba muri kumbona neza, maybe hari igihe tuzazana itara light. See? Ngiye kugenda nambaye. As you can see, uri mu bantu bari buze kujyana nanjye ntabwo nagutinza. Ubundi I love the chocolate one ko gushyira mu mutwe hano imbere, ba ntabwo ngafite. Nakabuze, ndagashatse ndakabura kandi sinshaka gukereza. Sinshaka gukereza Papa Lion, so that's why. Oh my God. Ibintu byo kwisukisha nabyo rero nabyo ni akazi, ariko nanone sinakogosha. But I have to go with a good look. Good look. Ndaba nagerageje ariko ba as I said nyine bipfuye kujyanamo. This is my outfit kubera ntabwo uyu munsi hakonje, turi muri good weather. I'm ready. I'm done, almost done. Ndumva ndimo barashobora kuba bitegura vuba. Guess what? I can't forget something. Hanyuma rero nuko nguko my outfit iraba imeze, nuko nguko ndaba nambaye. Keep in touch, mbereke ibindi byose. I love you.